Just give me my money.
Yes! Just give me my money.
Yes!
No guys, we're not here to shoot this video. We're here to tell the people about the upcoming Deen Team Youth Money Workshop.
Where you will learn 5 powerful ways on how to make money.
How to save, spend and invest money.
You will learn 4 ways on how to attract Barakah.
You will learn what the Quran says about financial independence.
You will learn how to make a winning business pitch.
There will also be a business pitch competition. So based on what you learn on the day, you have to create your own business pitch. And the best business pitch idea wins a 3,000 Rand capital injection. The second best business pitch idea wins a 2,000 Rand capital injection. And the third best business pitch idea wins a 1,000 Rand capital injection. This is sponsored by Rosh Gold. So
Join us
at Greenside Primary School Hall
on Saturday the 24th of August
at 10 a.m.
till 4:30.
At 200 Rand per person, including lunch. Register at thedeenteam.org and please don't come with your bike.
Uwais, how do I make money?
Kasu, just come to the program.